Welcome back, my fellow students. As previously discussed in the previous video, in this video we're going to be looking at the introduction for BODMAS. So BODMAS is, as I stated in the previous video, that it's a methodology that we use so that we can solve problems which are complicated. It is mnemonic. Yeah, it's a big word, but yeah, I'm not gonna edit this out of the video just so that you can try and remember it. So what it means brackets. So whenever you have a problem, the first thing that you start with will be your brackets, and then from the brackets, and then you'll be doing your off or orders. So this one you'll be looking at something like square roots or anything to a power of something, and then from there you go down, you look at division, and then from division you'll find multiplication, and then from multiplication you'll find addition, and then addition you find subtraction. So that is where the BODMAS comes from. So if you look at this BODMAS, so that is what BODMAS is. So whenever you are supposed to solve a particular problem, you always start with your brackets, then you go with the powers, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So I know for now, like, you'll ask yourself why you're using it. So let's just go through and see what. So it's a sequential method of solving complicated expressions or mathematical formulas. What does that mean? So for example, if you look at this right there, BODMAS gives you the ability to say, like, in this particular case, what I will first start by doing is dealing with the brackets, and then once I'm done with the brackets, and then you'll deal with the power. From the power, and then you'll jump straight into division, which is this 4 over 3, 1 over 2. Once you're done with division, you look at multiplication. So all these asterisks, I think that's what they called, they show you a multiplication, and then from multiplication you can do the addition and subtraction. Then the problem hopefully would have been fully solved. So what BODMAS does, it ensures that all of the time, whereby we all work on the same problem, we get the same answer. Because, for example, you can imagine if someone starts by subtracting and then they go the other direction, they will get a different answer. However, if we all know that whenever you have a problem, you always need to start by brackets and boiling down to subtraction, then you can always say that no, you are incorrect because you didn't start with brackets, you actually started with subtraction. So that's why we have BODMAS. And yeah, that is the introduction for it. In the next video, I will be sharing with you what the theory is.